Hello friends, this is a part 2. Hello friends, I am Veer sir, Miss Slippery part 2. Here the picture is very confident because Siley was totally changed because she got that confident. Siley got that confident. Miss Slippery part 2, I am Veer sir. And how this Slippery got the confident. The bell had already rung when I reached the school. The teacher was in the classroom. I sought permission to enter. मी ती शाळेत पोहोचली आणि आज उशीर झाला होता तिला शाळेत पोहोचायला आणि ती स्टाफ रूम मध्ये जाऊन पोहोचली स्टाफ रूमच्या जवळ. आय सॉट परमिशन टू एंटर द टीचर ओर फ्रॉम ऑन हर फेस बट सी लेट मी एंटर अँड टोल्ड मी टू सी हर इन द टीचर्स रूम आफ्टर द क्लास. मी शाळेत पोहोचले, वर्गापाशी पोहोचले, मला परवानगी पण मिळाली टीचर दिली, पण तिने मला सांगितले की मला भेट. Her tone was not of annoyance of anger. त्या दिवशी टीचर्स आवाज पण बदललेला होता, त्याला आपुलकी होती, प्रेम होतं. Yet an unknown fear made me nervous, reassuring myself that she was kind-hearted teacher and would not punish me. I reached the teacher's room with hesitant steps. अगदी आज काहीतरी मला चांगल्या गोष्टी घडत होत्या टीचर्स मध्ये, मला प्रेमानं त्या बोलत होत्या, सांगत होत्या. ओके. The teacher greeted me. Teacher told me to visit staff room. Teacher was asking me what happened, my son. I cried and cried. I like to hug, but not. The teacher greeted me with a smile and asked me to sit. By her side, her tender tone turned my sigh into the sobs. आज टीचरने मला जवळ जवळ बसून घेतलं आणि मला सांगितलं, माझ्या मॅमनी, आणि मला जास्तच हुंदके दाटून आले, मी जास्तच रडू लागले. She pulled her chair close to mine and patting me and on the head. What happened? What makes you cry, my child? मग खुर्ची जवळ घेतली आणि मला अगदी थापटून विचारलं, बाळा तुला काय भीती वाटते, तुला काय त्रास होतो, मला सांग. मी तुझी बहीण आहे ना, मी तुझी दीदी आहे. आय एम दीदी. दीदी मीन्स एल्डर सिस्टर. टेल मी युअर प्रॉब्लेम, माय सन, माय डॉटर. You are very good. Okay, don't worry. Don't be sad. I like to help you. After a brief pause, he continued to tell me what your trouble in. Confide me, for I am not like a sister to you. A reality ran through my entire frame. For a moment, I felt I should cling to her and cry and cry. Of course, I did not do so, but I kept gazing at her with fear. Tearful eyes. त्या दिवशी मात्र थोडंसं टीचर्स मला खूप आत्मविश्वास देऊन गेल्या. त्यांनी मला खूप, माझी मोठी बहीण, माझी मैत्रिणीला तू सांगणार नाहीस का, असं त्यांनी मला कॉन्फिडन्स दिला आणि मी खूप बदलून गेले त्या दिवशी. टेंडरली टीचर continued, do you know the meaning of Didi? It means elder sister. Do you know the meaning of the? Yes, Didi means elder sister. Do you know? Won't you tell your sister your trouble? तू तुझ्या बहिणीला सांगणार नाहीस का काय तुला घडते ते? Amid sobs, I said that girls keep teasing me. मी सांगितलं त्यांना की मला मुली चिडवतात. She laughed. Why are you scared of them? तू का घाबरतेस त्यांना? If you cry like this, they will pester you all the more. अजून त्या जास्त चिडवत राहतील. तू त्यांना चिडू नकोस, तू चिडून जाऊ नकोस. I am Didi and tell me your problems. I am not only your sister but also your friend. I like to support you. Yes, he was the best teacher. The छान teacher होते. It seemed the teacher had poured a smile into my eyes, like, be my friend. She said, yes, you are my best friend. You are my best friend and you are my best colleague now. The bell rang. She rose with the tender pat on my back. She said, listen. Yes, you are a sister, all right? Now you are a friend too, but I like my friend to be brave. माझा मित्र कसा शूर असला पाहिजे. तू माझी फ्रेंड आहे ना. You God try to be brave. I shall always stand by. You rest assured, my little Paul. Now rise and hop off to your class. Go to your class and be confident. And so excitement made my face flush, red hot to the ear tips. Never before had anyone lavished the love on me thus. And here was a teacher who had spontaneously accepted me as a sister, a friend. I was beyond myself. आज प्रथमच मला माझ्या टीचरनी मला एवढं छान आत्मविश्वास दिला होता, मला छान सुरक्षा दिली होती. तू घाबरून जाऊ नकोस, तुझी अडचण सांग, तू घाबरायचं नाही, तू कुणाशी भ्यायचं नाही. A best teacher changed my life. I become she was not only sister but also my friend. Bottle failed, water failed. There was one incident was there. With joy, I wanted to chuckle to burst into a near struck laughter on winged feet. I ran to my class. Soon I was lost in a rare where. That day I was not afraid because there was a confidence on me. I forgot that I was sitting in a class of wild girls whose prime pastime was teaching me during the break. The water bottle I was. There was one incident was there. Water bottle failed and water fell on me. ड्युरिंग द ब्रेक पाणी म्हणजे पाण्याची बाटली तिच्याकडून कशी पडली ती आणि सगळे हसणार होते, त्यांना संधी सापडली होती. ड्रिंकिंग फ्रॉम फेल ऑन मी अँड आय गॉट फुल drenched right in front of stood Maya and Chanda, laughing on me on their hearts content. Chanda teased from the slippery hands of the slippery bottle went to sleep. चंदानं संधी सोडली नाही चंदानं आणि ती मला चिडवायला लागली, कशी घसरडी निसरडी घसरडी सहज निसरडी. स्लीप स्लीप अँड नाव लेट्स वॉच द फन सेड वीणा. बघा तिची मज्जा बघूयात आपण. वीणा म्हणाली, बघा बघा कशी ती घसरते. माया चंदा, अ वर्ड गिवन मी अ क्लास टीचर. मला ते क्लास टीचर शब्द आठवायला लागले. I was squeezed the water out of my wet frock. Remembering the teacher's word, I turned my back to them and ignored them completely. मी दुर्लक्ष केलं. They were nonplussed and went away. I sensed a feeling of victory before the school closed for the day. The teacher came to the classroom again and said to me, from today you are going to be responsible for bringing the register, chalk and duster every morning. एक मला नवीन जबाबदारी मिळाली. मला टीचरनी सांगितले की तू रजिस्टर, खडू, डस्टर घेऊन यायचा ऑफिसमधून. माझे जे कपाट आहेत जा आणि सेवक जे आहेत, पिऊन जे आहेत त्यांना विचार आणि ते दररोज तू आणायचं. वह्या घेऊन जायच्या, तपासलेल्या वह्या घेऊन यायच्या. हे काम मला सोपवलं. कम टेक दिस की, ही चावी घे. कॅरी दीज नोटबुक्स टू द टीचर्स रूम. हे सर्व वह्या तू टीचर्स रूम मध्ये घेऊन जायच्या आणि तपासल्यानंतर घेऊन यायच्या. एक नवीन मला काम मिळालं. काउंट देम अँड कीप देम इन माय ड्रावर ॲज द पिऊन टू शो यू माय ड्रावर. तू त्या सेवकाला विचार आणि तुला ते ड्रावर सांगतील. My other trembling legs were not filled with. A word given me, my class teacher, and bring notebook, keep duster, chalk piece. This work was there. Take this key and keep these notebooks. Ask the school peon. She becomes strong now because she was now becoming a confident. She got the very nice strength, some miraculous positively. Enthusiastically and completed the assigned job in jiffy. मी लगेच ते मॅडमचं मदत करण्याचं काम मी स्वीकारलं. वह्या घेऊन जाणं, रजिस्टर खडू आणणं. When I placed the key on the teacher's table, she looked at me and smiled back. मी ज्यावेळेस वह्या घेऊन गेले त्या टीचर्सने माझ्याकडे एवढं छान स्माइल केलं. मी पण स्माइल त्यांना केलं. आज माझा वेगळाच कॉन्फिडन्स वाढलेला होता. I was thrilled from top to toe. आज माझ्याकडे वेगळी शक्ती संचारलेली होती. I become very strong. I become very confident. Thus I become very strong and confident. How? I was thrilled from top to toe. I felt my little heart inflate with pride. I found no awkwardness in moving about in my still wet frock, nor was there any trace of fear while returning home. How confident. There is a picture of confidence girl and she became very confident because she got that confident by the teacher. A best teacher changed her life because she was very shyful. She was afraid for the girls and naturally she was doing mistakes, and that day she became very confident. This is the part 2. She became a confident, and part 1 she was very shyful and afraid. Okay, adapted from the story of Popati Hiranandani. I think you understand well. In Marathi also I explain well. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.